Good morning everybody, it's Andrew from the Retired Barbers. Right, we've got another order here to do today. Seems to be only one a day so far, which is quite good. I'm happy with that. Now I think the order we've got today is the cushion brush. There we are, that's the cushion brush that we're posting off today. I think this one was £6.60 free postage. So let's see if that one will go in there. Okay, yep. I'll make this one up. You can find my eBay shop, all one word, it's the Retired Barbers shop. As I say, mainly to do with hair products, some beauty products and accessories to do with hairdressing as well. Right, let's get cracking on. This one is destined for redding. So, further down the tube. I've only been doing the retail online seriously since I retired, which was December 2025. Oh, don't you just hate this when this happens. Anyway, yeah, I had been doing bits and pieces while I had the shop. I've been a member since I think 2017. But seriously doing this more over the past 8 or 9 months. Enjoy it. Great fun. I don't know what your kind of stuff that you buy, whether you like to be tactile and feel for it and look at it, smell it and that kind of thing. But I find that a lot of my hair products that I sell tend to be people that have used it before, so they're buying it cheaper from me online. I think I'm about one of the cheapest ones on eBay. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you know anything better, please let me know in the comments. Also, you can let me know in the comments what's your favourite kind of product for styling. Do you like to use matte finish products, gloss finish products? Do you like to use hair tonics? Do you like to use hairsprays or combinations? Just drop me a line and let me know, because if you do, and I'll find out how many people are after a certain product, then I will start listing it. Right, that's that boy done. Pop the label on and then we'll get this down to the post office. And as easy as that. Okay, thanks very much and I'll catch you in the next one.